Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create exploded drawing and bill of material from the existing 3D assembly with FreeCAD tools. This is the ESO view assembly that we need to convert to this exploded drawing. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to create the exploded drawing and the bill of material. In step 1, we explode the assembly in 3D. Now, check if the assembly is activated and then activate the exploded view tool. Here you have a choice between half automatic or custom option. Select and move one of the arrow in X, Y, or Z direction. This method is simple, but it is not optimal to create the exploded view. Now, I will show you the customer option. In this case, you can position each of the components where you want. In step 2, we create the exploded view or drawing. First, switch to TechDraw Workbench. Next, insert Drawing Page Template from the FreeCAD library according to the drawing size. Now, select the exploded view from the assembly and then activate the Insert View tool. Set the scale if it is necessary. Next, change the type and size of the path lines. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 3, we create colored ESO view from the assembly. Next, switch to Assembly Workbench and then position the assembly for the ESO view. Now, switch again to TechDraw Workbench. Next, activate simply the Active View tool. Position the ESO view. The final step is to create the bill of material for the assembly. First, switch to Assembly Workbench and then activate the Bill of Material tool. Press OK to confirm. As you see, the description column is empty. Double-click to edit the bill of materials. Now you can remove the description and the file name from the bill of materials. Next, we show this bill of material on the drawing. Switch again to TechDraw Workbench. Now select the bill of material from the assembly and then activate the New View tool. Position the sheet and modify the table. Go to Assembly Workbench and check the size of the bill of material. Now select the sheet and then set the size of the table. Set the cell end value to C6. Next, change the scale of the bill of material table. As you see, the drawing is finalized. Next, I will show you how to customize the bill of material. Double-click the bill of material to edit it. Activate the Add Column button and then create new column name. Example for material, weight, and others. Now go to the drawing and update the bill of material table. Set the cell end value to E6. Select the table and recompute it. As you see, we changed from 3 to 5 column. Next, we remove the empty columns. Update the table again. Next, we add balloons to the parts according to the bill of material table. Select the part and then activate the balloon tool. Edit the text field according to the requirements. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.